Now let's work on triple bracket. How to solve triple bracket questions. I'm now explaining you this concept. So I will write topic, that is triple brackets. All right. So let me take this example. X plus 2 bracket, x plus 3, and then the last one 2x minus 1. So in this case, what you need to do, you need to multiply the first two brackets first, and after that uh, we will see, when we multiply these two brackets, you will get an answer, right? You will get another bracket, and we will multiply that bracket with the third one. So this would be the procedure. So let's multiply these two. So x times, let me remove that line. So I will multiply that x with this x, and then I will multiply the same x with 3 as well. Okay, the same procedure. And when we are done with that, then we will multiply that 2 with x, and then that 2 with 3. So let's do that. X times x is, think of this, x multiply x is equal to x square. Okay, so think of these type of things, these small things. When you understand these small concepts, mathematics will become really easy. Okay, so focus here, focus on these. Then x times 3, think of this, x times 3 is 3x, and then 2 times x is 2x, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So we got this bracket from the first two brackets, and I will write the second bracket as like this, 2x minus 1. Now we can solve this, we can add them because both are similar terms. So it will become x square plus 3x plus 5x. 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 6, and then 2x minus 1. So I'm now writing that question, that part here. Okay, so I'm continuing that here. So now x square plus 5x plus 6 bracket, and the next bracket I will write on another color, that is 2x minus 1. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to start with x square and multiply that with 2x, and then multiply x square with minus 1. So let's do that first. So x square times 2x, think of this, x square times 2x. So 2 will come here, and x square times x is x power 3. Okay, focus on these small things. This is very important for algebra. Focus on these. So that would be x cube. Now let's do that. Let's do multiply them. So x square times 2x is 2x power 3. And now x square minus 1 is minus x square. Try to focus on negative and positive. Okay, that one is positive, you need to keep these things in mind. That is plus, this is minus, both are different, so you need to write minus x square. We are done with x square. Now it's turn of 5x. So I will multiply 5x with 2x, and I will multiply 5x with minus 1 as well. Let's do that. So 5x times 2x, both are positive, you can see plus and plus both are positive, so it will be positive. 5 times 2 is 10, and x times x is x square. Now it's turn of 5x with that minus 1, so it will become minus 5x. We are done with 5x. Now since it has three numbers, you can see there is 6 as well, so I will Now multiply that 6. I will multiply that 6 with the bracket. So 6 times 2x is plus 12x. You can see both are positive, okay? Nothing is written, so that is positive. And 6 times minus 1. So one is positive, another one is negative. Both are different, so minus 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Now let's add the similar terms. We can add these two because both are x square. And we can add or subtract these two. Both are same. Both are x terms. So let's combine them. 2x cube minus x square plus 10x square. Pause the video and solve it and then see the answer. That would be 9x square. Okay, this is addition, not multiplication. So minus times plus is minus, so it means you need to subtract them, smaller number from the bigger number. So this is 1 here. Okay, 10 minus 1 is 9, and this is minus and plus is minus, so it means you need to subtract them, smaller number from the bigger number. So 7x, and write the sign of the bigger number, so plus, and minus 6. So this would be the answer. That is the answer. Okay, this is how you multiply three brackets.